PiNetwork has recently accelerated its mainnet migration process, aiming to reach 10 million migrated users ahead of the open network launch. As of January 2024, over 9 million pioneers have successfully migrated to the mainnet, with the team targeting an additional 2 million migrations by early 2025. The system now processes approximately 200,000 migrations daily, significantly reducing the time required for users to complete the migration process. These efforts are part of PiNetwork's strategy to ensure a stable and inclusive ecosystem as it prepares for the open network launch in the first quarter of 2025. PiNetwork has extended the grace period deadline for KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification and mainnet migration, now set for February 28, 2025. For users, it's crucial to complete the mainnet checklist and KYC requirements promptly to take advantage of the enhanced migration speed and secure their Pi balances on the mainnet. The deadline, which was initially scheduled to expire on January 31, 2025, has been moved to February 28, 2025. The extension allows PiNetwork members, also known as pioneers, more time to complete key steps to secure their Pi and enter the mainnet. This adjustment aligns with the PiNetwork's dedication to fostering inclusivity and equity for its worldwide user base. The aim is to help as many pioneers as possible complete their KYC verification and migration and not lose their Pi. It also goes with the overall plan to prepare for the open network launch in Q1 of 2025. The grace period extension affords additional time for KYC and migration, but does not affect the proposed launch of the open network, which is set to go live in Q1 2025. Since the grace period is separate from the open network timeline, the two events will take place independently of one another. The Pi Core team warned that a user's Pi balance will be forfeited if they fail to meet the new February 28 deadline. The only Pi that will not be converted will be earned during the 6-month period before migration. Overall, this extends the grace period by 2 months. The grace period was previously scheduled to end on December 31, 2024. In the announcement, PiNetwork urged all pioneers to take swift action before they can complete their KYC and mainnet migration steps. In the Pi mining app, users can open up the mainnet checklist and follow the instructions there to do so. An optional step is to make sure that they claim their space in the PiNetwork ecosystem and transfer their Pi balance to mainnet. This safeguards the network and acts as a net against potential fraudulent behavior by preventing unverified Pi from being able to migrate to the mainnet, thereby denaturing the network integrity and decentralization. It's crucial for users to promptly complete the mainnet checklist and KYC requirements to take advantage of the enhanced migration speed and ensure their Pi balances are secured on the mainnet. Delaying this process may result in complications or potential loss of Pi coins.